Morning, everybody. Mike Vacchi, Princetontrader here from Mr. Topstep with your Thursday morning pre-market webcast. Okay, so, yesterday was another one of those days where you could take away from the day. If you're a bull or a bear, you could take something positive away from the day. The bears got their down day. They got their lower low. The bulls, on the other hand, were able to take it up from the 1392 level back up to 1400 into the close, so they got their viable dip. And overnight, it's played out where if you look at the pivot levels that I put up on Topstep every day, and you can do that by going to the Topstep homepage or looking up my contributor name, and the pivots are there. You've got the daily 3 and 9 day pivots sitting from 1400 up to 1404, creating kind of a zone. It's either going to be a band of resistance or a band of support. Well, the Bears had the advantage going into last night because they were below the band. And what do? We go right up to the 3-day pivot, right up to 1404 to the top of that band, and it comes off about 10 handles, and we rally up a little bit back up to 1397 half, and now we're making new lows as I do this at about 9:23 Eastern time down at 1392.75. So, we're about 13 handles below the 3-day pivot, which was a nice little trade on the subscription service. So looking at today, the ball remains in the Bears' court. Can they push this thing? Can they follow through? Or is all this just leading up to another viable dip? We're about to get a retest at 1392, yesterday's low. I would expect the bulls to buy that dip and rally it up again. The question is, can then the Bears make a lower low and head down to 1388, 1382, and 1377? Those are three really important levels that the Bears need to get through if in reality this 1419.75 is the end of this rally, and we're going to have some kind of a correction back below the 20-day exponential moving average. So that's what I'm looking at going into today. Let's do support and resistance. Current trade is 1392.25. So let's do the upside first. 1393, 1398.55. Round number 1400. Daily pivot 1401.42. Up to the 3-day pivot 1403.04. So that's the 9-day pivot to the 3-day pivot, 1400 to 1404, and beyond that you've got 1406, 1408, and then up to 1414. On the downside, 1392, then the 1388 to 1389 level, which is the 20-day, and some Fibonacci's are down there. 20-day pivot sits just underneath at 1386. So you can call 1389 to 1386 another band, and below that, actually spread that out to 1385 because you got the 50-day exponential moving average. So 85 to 89 is a band. Below that, 1379 and 1377. So use stops today, be hedged. Volatility is coming back into this market. This is Mike Vacchi, Princetontrader for Mr. Topstep. I'll see everybody tomorrow morning with another webcast. Trade them well and have a great day.